Hey there! Sick of seeing that pesky fail to acquire location error popping up while you're deep in a Mobile Legends battle on your iPhone? No sweat! Today I've got your back with some easy fixes to get rid of that annoyance once and for all. Let's dive right in and tackle this together. Solution 1. Start by enabling location services. First off, head to your settings. Then, scroll down until you spot Privacy and Security and give that a tap. Now, hit Location Services. After that, flip the switch to turn on location services. Finally, fire up Mobile Legends and see if the error vanishes. Solution 2. Try using a VPN app. I recommend grabbing the 1.1.1.1 Faster Internet VPN app from Cloudflare. It's safe and totally free. Just open it up and toggle the switch to connect. Once connected, launch Mobile Legends and see if the issue persists. Time to offload and reinstall Mobile Legends. Head to Settings once more, then tap on General, then iPhone Storage. Next, scroll down to find Mobile Legends and tap on it. Hit Offload app, then confirm by tapping Offload app. Once it's offloaded, hit Reinstall app to get it back. Once reinstalled, you should be good to go. And there you have it. Say goodbye to that fail to acquire location headache in Mobile Legends on your iPhone. If this video helps you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.